today we have mentioned about making a kebab. But now we preparing to go to market for buying ingredients. Okay, first of all, we would like to introduce ourselves first. I'm Ibadiyah Tasni.
Hi, I'm Hanan Malik. Hi, I'm Sabina Dada. And hello, and I'm Hyam Sasu. Are you ready, guys?
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
Hello.
Okay, we are arriving now at Mulamai Market. We come here to buy something to make kebab. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Tomato, right? Take a fresh one. Okay, anything else? I want this chicken. How much? Now we stop at Lang. We stop here because we are so hungry. Okay, let's time for our dinner today. Okay, let's go. This is our dinner. Let's see, we have keropok and steak and what? Something seafood, right? Seafood, right? Seafood, French fry, and then boiled rice. Boiled rice. It's not very delicious. I want that. Yes, please. Let's eat.
Now time to cooking chicken kebab. Before we cooking, we will show you ingredients. Okay.
There are chicken, flour, chili sauce, mayonnaise, butter, garlic, sugar, salt, paprika, black pepper, yeast, and the spices, and oil, tomato, onions, lettuce,
And the last one, water. Okay, this is the ingredients for to make a kebab.
First thing, we should to make a bread. And the first step, we take a flour, 1 kilo. And then we take the sugar, we put it. And the salt. And also the yeast. Next, we put the butter. And the oil. We stir until mix it. And the last thing, we put the water. We should not put all the water at the same time because maybe the flour will be watery. We just put a little. Until to be like this. After that, we close it. We leave it 5 minutes. Okay, the second thing, we have to marinate chicken. The first step, we slice chicken. Until finish slice chicken. Step 2, put crushed garlic. And then black pepper and paprika. Sugar, put sugar. Put salt. The last one, all spices. And then mix together until mix together. Then we wait around 10 minutes. Action. Finally, we slice onion too small for input in fried chicken. First, we put oil. And wait for a moment. Then we put chicken. We fry until be like this, and then we put onion and mix together. Okay, this is a paste that we leave it around 10 minutes, and then we roll it. re-rolling until be circle. Then we put in the pan.
Okay, after we finish all the chicken and bread, we will decorate it. Then we put mayonnaise. Chicken. Tomato. Cucumber. And the last one, lettuce. Okay, and roll it. So I forgot it. We have to put sauce. And this is sauce Arab. Tahina. And then we roll.
Oh, it's very big. I want to try it. Oh, it's look yummy, very yummy. Very yummy.
My mouth is watering. I want to try one.
Okay. You
Thanks.
one.
It looks very delicious.
Very delicious, right?
Right.
Did you want to try too?
How is it? So delicious.
Yeah.
Wow. It's yummy and I think a lot of vegetable.
Chicken is very better.
Where is sauce? I cannot see.